Hello and welcome to issue 85 of Build Your Own 3D Printer, 3D Create and Print. Only 5 issues left now, not much to go now. We've got the outer left side hood frame. Got the usual web access code 580902. Design with 3D print. How has 3D print affected designers? Is it just another piece of kit in the toolbox, or does it inspire the creative process from the very outset? Very sexy woman there. So, 3D printed interactive smoke dress contain embedded sensors and smoke system that enveloped the wearer in a veil of smoke. Someone enters their personal space. You may have heard of 3D print, described as a disruptive. Now there's the smoke dress again. It's a 3D print look. Art and graphic design there, and they're bemoan the arrival of those new software features or fonts that pop up from time to time and swift reach saturation point after everyone leaps on the bandwagon. 3D print gives us a new way of making and designing objects. A vase there, blending the old and the new. Building a spaceship part 3, Blender. As I keep on saying, I've given up on Blender, it's too difficult for me. So let's skip through this. Outer left side hook frame. All it is this bit here. And all it does is fixes onto that bit there. It connects these two outer shells, two frames here. 3D Create print summary of build stages. Stage 1, you remember y-axis 1 to 12. Stage 2, mainframe issue 13 to 15. Stage 3 was the y-axis 16 to 23. Stage 4, z-axis issues 24 to 32. Stage 5, the build plate 33 to 40. Stage 6, the mainframe casting issues 41 to 46. Stage 7 was the build covers and connectivity 47 to 52. Stage 8 is the main control boards issues 53 to 65. Print head feeder, which is stage 9, issues 66 to 76. And last stage, this stage what we're doing now, stage 10, printer hood. It came in 10 stages. It's all been reviewed online. So to visit 3dcollection.com, check out the home page to go down. So this is what this is up here is. This is what I've been doing. This is what it's talking about. States 1 to 12, 13 to 15, 16 to 23, 24 to 32, of these stylish silhouette coasters. The yo-yo. Classic yo-yo is given a modern twist by incorporating outward facing hollow spiraling discs. This bearing print with 10 loose free moving balls bearing inside. Next week is the outer right side hood frame. So that's it, no build this week. All it says is this bit, which is the what they call the inner side on outer left side hood frame, and this is the outer right side hood frame. So not much to do. There we go. Magazine's getting thinner, so there's getting less things to talk about. I think that's it. But that's not too boring, it's just a quick summary of what we've been doing so far, really. So, thanks for watching. I'll remember that. Stage 1. Oh, they forgot about the rebuild. For doing the I think it was y-axis, wasn't it? Anyway, so that's about it, and that's what it looks like inside. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Thank you. Bye.